Over the years, I've made a lot of projects. I printed also a lot of projects like this one. It's a cat. Like that is not very. Um, you don't have the feeling that it's a cat, but yeah, it's a cat. I printed all the pieces. They are not all very well printed, but you have here a module, a sonar module for the Arduino, and also lot of 9 MG90S servo Tower Pro with a servo chill here. The cat is a bit defective because I don't have the right battery for it, but when I've got all the good batteries, this cat will be a very nice companion for my children, which is when I put the battery on, there are a lot of staggering or very defective movement, but when I've got some time, I will put you some nice battery, a little cat here, which is, you can see that the paws are very well done. The designer for this STL are Rongzhong 1000, I think. I put the link in the description. He's an Asian guy. It's very nice. He also has now a production with this nice cat. It's a Neko cat, I think. Perhaps you found the STL online. I put them in the description if they are all open source, but I'm not sure if they are still open source. Okay, thank you, goodbye, see you next week.